So, folks, when we get a problem like this, the first step is to come up with an equation. And give me a second while I orient. So I'll back up, folks. Actually, your first step is to get a picture. Do you suppose I could get everybody quiet and looking at me on this one? If you're folding that box up, and I want to calculate the volume, I think the volume is going to be X high, and I think each side is going to be 8. Can you see I cut out an X on each side? So if I'm looking at that volume equation, I think I took away 8, take away 2x. There. And there. So I think if I square that, that will be base times width. And then the last thing I would need is volume.
You squared it because you're going to do that on the other side too.
So all I'm doing is I'm figuring out volume as base times width times height.
Why is there a positive one and a negative one?
So Dakota, to answer your question, which was, if I understand it, why was there a negative?
Okay, you got an 8 minus 2x and then you got negative x 8 minus 6.
So if I'm looking at my box, how tall is my box?
8.
No.
8 minus 2x.
When I hold up my box, how far is the box from here to here?
8.
So I cut out the corner, took the corner away. When he folds up, how tall will that box be? Can you see that when that goes up from here to here is how high he's going to be? So I think when you fold that box up, the box is going to have a height of x. That used to be 8, but I took a x out of each side. So I think one of the widths is no longer 8 inches. I think it's 8 take away 2 x's. So it's not really a negative x. The x is just how high it was. Am I good with that?
Yeah.
The second step is to take a derivative. And I need to look for where the derivative is going to be zeros. So let's go ahead and put them in our calculator. I'm going to go to F1, spare my functions. Did everybody see it okay?